This is a video showing a Caterham 420R going around Curborough. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. If you've seen some of my other videos, you will know that this is Jason's 420R. Jason and I did an intro into sprinting day with the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club at Curborough. I've released 2 other videos about our day at Curborough already, so make sure that you check those out if you've not seen them. Curborough is a great viewing track for a spectator, as you can see here. From one place you can see basically all of the track. It was a brilliant day, and I hope we will be able to drive some other sprint tracks in the future. Plus it would mean more stickers, and you know I love a sticker. I'm sure each track sticker that you have on your car gives you 1 extra brake horsepower, but unfortunately that hasn't been confirmed yet. This car sounds really good, doesn't it? Here is Jason doing a lap of Curborough, and his fastest lap will be after that. Here is Jason's fastest lap. I would like to say a big thank you to the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club for organising the day, and to everyone that gave up their free time to make this day happen. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away, as you fade away.